Exploding barbed wire death match. I haven't done this yet for the Slam Society. Let's get onto it. Let's see what this is all about. Yeah. Alright, who am I gonna be? See, why are we wasting slots on Winter Sacramento, Randy Delta, Wild Bay, Kid Dreamer, and India Darling? How about, I don't know, FTR? That might make a little bit of sense, hey? What about, well, it's a big show. I'm sure you have to unlock these guys, but anyway. Alright, I'm going to go JF. Sammy Guervara was the one that injured him, right? Alright, where is this little mug? Where's this little fucking mug? He is in it, right? Man. Well. Okay. Sammy Guevara. Come on, you little fucking little twink. Where are you? That's where it starts. Okay, there we go. Here's Jeff Hardy, the hardcore, high-flying extreme icon against Dickhead who can't grow facial hair, but can somehow land one of the hottest women on the planet. Unbelievable. It's either he's got game or she's got really bad and very low standards. This can't happen at Dynamite. Alright, you know what? We're going to do it at AEW Dark. Sassafras right here, right now. We got Jeff Hardy right out of North Carolina taking on Sammy Guevara here, the Spanish God as they call him. I don't know why they call him that, because I'd rather call him the Spanish Dog King. Why would he be talking to King again?
Contest is an exploding barbed wire death match.
Shut up, Justin.
Cannot wait for this match.
Oh, shut up, Excalibur. God, you're all so annoying.
Making his way to the ring.
Sassafras, Jeff Hardy making his way to the ring here, and unlike his brother, he can actually walk straight at the moment, and
his opponent, they call him the Spanish God.
There's Sassafras again with the Sassafras. Here's Spanish God, Sammy Guevara, massive dickhead, and we're gonna hopefully see him get electrocuted here, King. Again with the King. Fuck, I've forgotten the controls. I've forgotten the controls. How do you run? Oh, fuck off, dickhead. Get him, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. No! Fucking get him, Jeff. Ooh, bit of electrocution. You put the Q in electrocute, Sammy, you little twink. Yes! Yes! I love it! I love it! Oh, yeah! How is it awesome? We've done nothing. Get up, Jeff! Get the fuck off me, cunt! Oh, right in the forehead. Oh, hi! Back body drop! Get him, Jeff! Oh, we're gonna cop it now, bro. Ouch. Well, it worked that time, didn't it? Well, the pussy-ass thing that happened when Eddie Kingston covered up for Moxley. Oh, getting killed, Sammy! Oh, he's... I'm murdering him! This is a live murder. A live moida. Oh, yeah, baby. Terrible table spot. You fuck cunt. Oh. Forget it. Just forget it. Atomic drop ends it. Yes, bro! Fuck it. I forgot how to do a finisher, but that's okay. We killed Sammy Guevara here in the exploding barbed wire death match. He went through 2 tables. He got electrocuted several times. And JF gets the fucking win here, bitch. Oh, 4,200 of cold hard cash. Time. And there we have it, the exploding barbed wire death match. Maybe I should do it. You know what? I'll do another one. Let's be inclusive. Let's be inclusive. Let's get 2 of the ladies in on this. All right, let's go with D.M.D. because I like Britt. I am a fan of Britt Baker. All right, I guess we have to do Britt Baker and Thunder Rosa because they had a massive feud. Let's get some blood out there, ladies. I want blood. So that's for us, Dr. Britt Baker D.M.D. and Thunder Rosa. They're going to be taking on one another exploding barbed wire death match right here on AEW Rampage. No chance that happens on Rampage.
The following contest is
they wouldn't.
Exploding
sorry, Justin's talking.
Match.
They wouldn't want.
The AEW.
Oh, it's the titles on the line. I didn't know I was putting the belt on the line. Cheers for that, Justin, you little prick.
An exploding barbed wire death match.
Cheers, Tone. AT, how you fucking doing, Tone? AT, how you fucking doing, Tone?
Introducing the challenger, Dr. Britt Baker D.M.D.
Could they have at least lined it up with Justin saying DMD? It's not that hard, boys.
The champion.
Oh, she's the champ. Oh, here's my opportunity at the belt. Alright, we'll see how we fucking go here, Thunder. Ah, Thunder. Ah, Thunder. Neck breaker, beautiful. Oh, elbow to the corner of the jaw. Oh, shit. Good, that's the way, Britt. I don't give a Britt. Nice work, Britt. Oh! No! Fuck. I've forgotten how to do strikes. Good reversal. At least I know how to do reversals, right? Oh! They both put the cute in electrocute. That's the second time I have made that joke. Just edging closer and closer! Get her! Do it, Britt! Electrocutie! That you are, Thunder. Ah! Thunder! Oh! Quick electrocution to the forehead on the way down. Suplex. Oh, I've completed a challenge. I'm not really concerned about that. We're about to... Another electrocution. Britt's just totally not concerned at all that she's about to get electrocuted. Is this... Have I got this on easy or something? Because usually this is a bit more difficult to play. Foot kick, right? Oh, beautiful! Beautiful, Britt. Beautiful. Oh, right to the tip. Oh! Oh, okay, now I know how to do the special. It's over! It's over! What? Get the fuck out of here! Oh, Jesus Christ! That happened the first time when I played this as fucking Punk. And I lost to Jungle Boy after just hitting him with a GTS. Get out of here, Rosa. Oh, right to the bread basket! Oh, yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah, bend over for it, Britt. Why is that her pose? Why isn't her taunt DMD? Oh, fuck off, cunt. Oh, fuck off. No. No. Oh, shit, she's going to beat me. Oh shit, Thunder Rosa's gonna win! No! Oh, I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. It's over! No! Oh, well, you win some, you fucking lose some. And I would consider it any kind of victory if Thunder Rosa's laying on me for a pinfall. Even 3 seconds, that's all I need. So I didn't win the women's title there, but... Oh, now you pipe up, you little prick, Excalibur. I'd rather you pipe down, dickhead. Okay, so I lost that one. But you know what? 2 exploding barbed wire death. I think that's enough. Okay, you little son of a bitch. You son of a bang, son of a boom, son of a bitch.